I will give a short intro of Professor Mahesh R. Sangvi sir. Professor Mahesh R. Sangvi obtained his diploma in computer technology in the year 1999 from the Board of Technical Education, Mumbai, and obtained his bachelor degree in computer engineering from the University of Pune in year 2002. With his passion towards the field of education, he joined the SNJB Polytechnic Chandwad in the year 2002. Since 2004, he has been working as a lecturer in the Department of Computer Engineering at SNJB College of Engineering Chandwad and currently working as a Vice Principal, HOD Computer and IT. He obtained his master degree ME in Computer Science and Engineering from SRT Marathwada University Nanded in year 2009. He also has completed PhD in Computer Engineering from JNU, Jodhpur in May 2015. The topic of his research is digital video watermarking. From 2007, he is working as a head of computer engineering department. In addition, he is also working as HOD IT since 2018. Currently, he is deputed as a vice principal in the same college. He is an active member of syllabus setting committee for the course like IoT, DBMS, DBMSA and RVPL in SPPU. His consultancy work is he has provided expert guidance and implemented various projects like SNGB campus networking compromises of 7 colleges, server administration and security system for SNGB campus, Venkatesh Pat Sanstha Chandwad developed the interface for Ambedkar Associates Aurangabad, developed software for automation of several offices. He is the life member of various professional bodies such as CSI and IE. He is chairman of CSI Nasik chapter. He is also an invitee member of IEI Local Center Nasik. Professor Sangvi has more than 25 research papers published at the national and international conferences and journals. He also has published a book having ISBN number on the subject Recent Trends in Engineering and Technology. He has guided more than 60 undergraduate students. He has worked as a visiting faculty and delivered several seminars on topics related to the field of information technology at several polytechnic and engineering colleges in and around Nasik, and also worked as a resource person to the short-term training program for teachers. Recently, he is recipient of the award of Best Contribution from Computer Society India at Coimbatore. He was also awarded the Best HOD from CSI Mumbai chapter at IIT Bombay. Promising Engineer Award by IEI Nasik local chapter, Adarsh Shikshak from Deshdoot, Adarsh HOD from Lokmat, etc. Professor Sangvi has coordinated several workshops, seminars, faculty development programs, short-term training programs and conferences in and around Nasik and Pune organized by SNJB College of Engineering Chandwad. His area of interest include image and video processing, database, IoT, data structures, big data analytics and business intelligence. Thank you.
Thank you so much, madam, for introducing me. Respected Rathod sir, my guru, my mentor, all the faculty members, all the organizing committee. I'm really thankful to the college for giving me this opportunity to put forth my views. I guess all teachers are have joined this particular session, and I'll definitely try to give you something out of this particular session. Some of the topic from this session must be known to you, right? But I'll try to give you something new out of it as well. I'll be happy if someone has any sort of doubts, can anytime interrupt me in between. You can simply unmute and ask, or chat window is the best option that you can use. So let's start with the session. You all are gathered for the session of use of teaching tools for effective teaching. When I'm talking about teaching tools and effective teaching, there are different ways of, considering it. When I'm talking about effective, it means that students learning environment should be wonderful, and teacher should always save the time while interacting with the this kind of teaching and learning process. So let's start with the journey of this particular session today. In this 1 hour of time, I'm sure if you have laptop or mobile, I'll be happy that you can have a hands-on with me as well. So let's start with this. You all are aware that what happens in 1 minute on internet. Why I'm focusing here nowadays, because online teaching has great value, and with that we have certain challenges. So what is happening in 1 minute? So this kind of things were happening in 2020. This was the scenario, and in 2021, this is what the scenario. And there is huge, requirement nowadays for online tools, and these tools are on demand. Why these particular tools on demand? So simplest way is what? This is the only way of communication nowadays, and due to that, everyone is using this particular tools wisely, effectively, and even many of us are wasting their time in this particular tools as well. So let's discuss, like, this is what the importance, why people are now focusing on this. You must be aware of some of the tools which are available here. For example, you must have created your own blog. So WordPress is one of the best platform where you can create your blog. Canva is wonderful tool where we can start with graphics design. Then we can have various products of Google. Variety of range is huge. So today we will focus on Googling Google. How to Google, that we'll have a discussion today. You might be thinking that आप क्या सिखाएंगे सर Google के बारे में, हम लोग तो मास्टर हो चुके हैं. Yes, I'll give you some different ways of what searching it. Then we'll focus on Google Sheets, like the way I have prepared this particular presentation in Google Slide, okay? And we can have a good discussion on Google Sheet, that is Google Spreadsheet, then Google Document, Google Slides, Canva, a graphic design tool, WordPress blog. Then we'll have a discussion on some more tools that can be used by teachers. So let's begin with this. Googling Google. So this many things can be possible with what Google. Okay, so let's go with what hands-on session. I cannot cover all the points, but I'll definitely give you what some of the glimpses by which you all can, rethink and think, and you can even apply this particular skills to your day-to-day life. What is important for a teacher nowadays? Teachers, other than teaching, we are doing everything other than teaching. Am I right or wrong? Hardly 20% time we can give for teaching. 80% is what? The documentation that we all are doing. Okay, we are focusing on NBA, we are focusing on various, statutory bodies, and where we have to give what documents. So we are giving less time for teaching and working more on what this documentation work. So how to make our work effectively so that we can give this particular equal time slot and we can reduce the time that we are giving at 80%. Okay, काम कमी होणारच नाहीये, काम येणारच आहे आपल्याला. Okay, but how can we reduce that time and we'll invest that time into what our teaching learning process. So in today's session, I will try to give that. So what can be possible with Googling Google? So how many of you have done like Googling? Okay, suppose I have Google with me. Okay, have you anytime used some of the symbols? For example, you want to search Mahesh Sanghvi. This is my name, right? Mahesh. I'm writing my full name, let's say. Okay, and hunting on Google. The moment I'm doing that, I'm getting what? 281 results. Okay, somewhere I'm getting my own results, and somewhere I'm getting what? The results of others where other people are involved. Okay, so this can be done. Instead of Mahesh Ranglalji Sanghvi, I'm giving only Mahesh Sanghvi, and now I'm entering. Now you can see that almost 5,04,000 entries are there, okay, on this particular name, that is Mahesh Sanghvi. So who can tell me that what is happening here when I'm giving Mahesh Sanghvi? What exactly it is doing? Can anyone please share? So that it will be interactive session. What I have searched only my name, Mahesh, and then I have given Sanghvi, and I can see that almost 5,04,000 results are here. and probably it will be really difficult to search real Mahesh Sanghvi, right? Because what it will give us, क्या देगा ये, क्या क्या सर्च करके इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे सामने देगा? Can anyone will tell me? Because almost how many results are coming? 5,04,000. Can anyone? Trust me, no answers are wrong. It is always what perception of individual. I'll be happy if someone from you will tell me, so that I will understand you are there or not. Yes, anyone, please? My teacher friends, please. It's search of metadata. Perfect. Very perfect. Dhanashree ma'am, you have given perfect answer. Okay. What it is doing, it is searching a metadata where it will take care of Mahesh. It will even search Sanghvi. It will even take care of what Mahesh Sanghvi. So any entry of Mahesh or maybe Sanghvi or maybe what, it may be combination, that is Mahesh and Sanghvi. So you can see that if this is happening, okay, it's really difficult to search whatever you want. So what you can do, simply add double quotations and then give enter. See that the results are now reduced from 5 lakhs to 5,000, right? My screen is visible or not? Excuse
No,
me.
sir.
No? Okay.
No, sir.
Screen is hospital.
Yeah. Very sorry. Yeah, I think it's now visible. So what I have done, I have used, yeah, thank you. So what I have done, I have used what? Double quotation. Earlier I have given only Mahesh Sanghvi in Google. Okay. And what I have done now, I have simply added this double quotation. Okay. And due to that double quotation, this particular query has given only 5,550 results. So friends, the results earlier were 5 lakhs and now it is reduced to what? 5,000. This is the beauty of just using double quotation, and that's the reason we can use this. Even if I mention my name here, Mahesh R. Sanghvi, again, the results are reduced to what? 3 digits. It is now what? 748. So the results are what? Reduced. So this way we can use what this Google, what I have done here, currently I have simply used some of the operators. Okay. And here the very first operator that I have used is what? Double quote. This double quote will help you to search exact string. Okay. So it will not go for metadata. It will go for what? The exact string that you have given. So simply adding double quotation with your string will definitely help you. So this is one part. Another part, suppose I want to search some of the, what normally teachers are doing nowadays. हम लोगों को एक PowerPoint presentation चाहिए. Suppose I have to take one topic today. Okay, what we will do, suppose PowerPoint presentation of, suppose real-time operating system. I'm giving this real-time operating system. I want this particular presentation, right? So I'll give this particular, query, and you will understand that a big number, I can't read this particular number. Okay. So you can see that it's more than, it's more than 4 billion values it is showing you. अब आप मुझे बताइए, how can we search exact the things that I want? What I have given PowerPoint presentation of real-time operating system. Now, if I make it like this, real-time operating system, okay, and what I want is, I want file type as PPT. Now I am entering. See, the result is reduced to 686. So what command I have given? So that I'm sharing with you here. Okay, I hope this is readable. So what I have given, real-time operating system, and along with that I have used plus symbol. Okay, so this plus symbol will combine these two queries. Okay, and here I have mentioned very specific thing, that is file type should be what? PPT. So what it is doing, it is searching for the PPTs only, and the results are reduced to 686. And the moment you will download this, you will get this particular PPT, and immediately this will help you to, search your entire data. So searching will be very effective. and this effectiveness will definitely save your time, save your energy, and you will get the right thing that you actually want. So friends, this is what the way we can googling Google can be possible. Okay, see that the outcome, real outcome is in front of you. This is what the PPT that I was planning to search, and I got it. Okay, so I'm simply closing it now. So this way you can use the tool. Which tool I have used again? यहाँ पर सबसे पहले what I have used double quotation. Then I have used plus symbol. This plus symbol is used as or. Another, I have used file type. Okay, this file type is telling me that it will only search the PPT. If you want to search document, give DOC. If you want to search PDF, give PDF. So this way it will search. So friends, you might have seen earlier the result were in billion, and now the result is in 3 digit, that is 686. So this way we can be able to search the things very efficiently on Google. Okay, so these are the some of the operators that I have given. Now suppose you want to search more operators, so simply give here operators, okay, or operator with Google, okay, or Google operator. Simply give that, open this link, okay, you will get entire list. Okay, see that some of the operators we have used, the way we have used this particular double quotation. Okay, and I'm sharing this link with you so that you all can always use this, okay, wisely. So I have shared this with you. So this is one of the point that I wanted to highlight today. This is normally we called it as what, googling Google. Okay, now there are certain things into what email. Every day we are using Gmail. Now I am moving from Google to Gmail. Okay, I hope everyone must be having Gmail with you, right? So what can be done with this Gmail? So you can see that I can read the mail. Okay, I can read the mail. All the mails are available here, and at right hand side the mail is opening. Suppose for example this is one of the mail. Okay, I'm simply clicking here at left corner, and my screen here, it is giving me at right hand side, it is giving me what is the email. See that I have highlighted that email. So this way any email is coming, I can read here itself, and I can finish that particular part here itself only. Clear to you? Why it is happening? Because we have certain features available here. For example, where to go? Click on setting. Okay, you need to click on setting. Once you click on setting, it will give you what? Variety of options. Okay, and in that you need to what? You need to set up your own email the way you want. Okay, it is taking time to open. Anyways, I'll use some more tools. Okay, fine. So I'll again try to click on this setting button. Unfortunately, it's not opening the window. Maybe internet can be the challenge. But anyways, I'll show you some other part. Anybody has seen the, yeah, it's now opening. Yeah, it is open now. See that the moment I have clicked here, you will get this. Now I'm clicking on, instead of default, okay, instead of default, I'll do first, I'll remove this. Okay, this way you are getting what? Your own emails every day. Okay, now if I click on comfortable, what it has done? See the difference between comfortable and default. In default, it is showing me what is attached with that email. I can see that here some Google spreadsheets are there, here image is there, here document is there, here PDF is there. So I can see that without opening that mail. It is possible with default. Suppose I don't want this information, I want to hide this information. You can click on what? Comfortable. So that will hide your all attachments. Okay, that way you can use that, comfortable. Next is compact. If you click on compact, again it will compact the email. So the number of emails in front of you will be more in this particular case. So it's up to you, but what I like is the default one that I'm using. Okay, it is possible at what? Density. In setting, there is some additional part that you can see, that is density. Another is theme. Yes, जिन लोगों को अपना email सजाना है, they can use this particular theme. I will not discuss much on this because it is art than what technology. Next is inbox type. This is important. Now inbox type, you can see that here you will get what? Primary, social, promotions, updates, and forums. In your case, by default, you must be getting primary, social, and promotions, right? Two more were added, that is updates and forum. So how it can be done, how it can be activated? So click on customize. When you click on customize, it will give you all kinds of options here. And when you take the cursor on primary, it will tell you what kinds of mail will come at primary. If you take on what? Social, it will ask you what kind of email will be there on social, then promotion, likewise. If you activate all the options, then you will get all kinds of inboxes here. Clear to you? So this way it is, it is coming. Suppose there are certain emails coming here. Suppose forum. This email is coming here and I want that it should come at primary. This email is coming at forum and I want this particular email at primary box. Simply pick up that, drag and drop. Okay, I am dragging that and putting it into what? Primary. So next time onwards, this email will come at primary. Clear to you? So it's up to you. At initial stage, there are certain emails may not be useful. The way I am having these many emails are not useful. I can simply delete them, right? I can simply delete them. So this way you can, reduce and you can save your time here. So this way we can work out. See that update wala presentation. If I want this at inbox, simply pick up and drop there. So this way it will show. Okay. So this is what one of the option that I wanted to highlight regarding this. Suppose if you want important first, important means what? If you observe here yellow color, right? This yellow color, okay, like arrow sign, that indicates these emails are important. So if you click on that, it will show you important email first. Okay, so that is one way. Another is what? Unread first means what? The email that you haven't read, that will be on the first. So it is up to you what kind of thing that you are actually deciding. I like default and so I'm using it. Okay, you please try all this and try to use whatever you want. Next option is what? Reading pane. In reading pane, there is options like no split, right of inbox or below inbox. Now, suppose your screen, okay, is wide nowadays, right? In case of mobile, okay, it is different, but in case of computer or laptop, it is different. Suppose if you are using no split mode, you will get the emails like this. And for every email, you need to open that. है ना, आपको उसको क्लिक करना पड़ेगा, क्लिक करके फिर वो ओपन होगा, आप यहाँ पर उसको रीड करोगे, then you will go to what? Back on inbox and again read other mails. Instead of this, you can use right of inbox. आपने split कर दिया इस conversation को, तो क्या होगा? All your emails will be available at left side, and the moment you are clicking on that, that entire email body will be at this right pane. So this way you can, you can split your screen of what? Your emails, and that will definitely save you much of time. So this also you can use. So friends, this is what about the Google Gmail. There are so many other things which is possible with Gmail. For example, आप लोगों को ये colors दिखाई दे रहे क्या? Different color star के हो रहे है ना? मैं color change कर रहा हूँ star का. आपकी केस में होते हैं क्या ये color change? Can anyone? In your case? Yes, anyone please? See that I have yellow color star, I have blue color star, I have red color star, right? I have what? Violet color star. Different colors are available with me. Do you have this? If somebody is using laptop or somebody is using, desktop, please see that whether you are getting different colors on this or you are only getting yellow color. Can anyone will quickly tell me?
Yes, sir. Blue color.
Only blue for all or it is changing?
Changing to yellow and blue only.
Yellow and blue. So
Yes.
you want some more colors?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So whenever you want these more colors, you need to go on settings again. Okay. See all settings. Then you need to click on see all settings. In Gmail setting, okay, and at general tab, you will get this option. Okay. By default, you may get only one, that is yellow. When you are getting two, it means in your case, the setting is allowed for two. Okay. And I'll show you how we can use some different colors as well. Okay, so I am at general, general settings में मैं जा रहा हूँ यहाँ से. Okay, where I have entered at settings. In settings there are different menus. In that I am using general. By default general is getting open, right? And here what I am doing, I'm searching for this particular star. See that you can get these stars here. Many stars are available here, correct? And here you can use all stars. Okay, use the option all stars. When you are using this option, all star will come. Okay, and go at last and say save settings. Okay, for example, what I'm doing now, मैं इसको single star में convert कर रहा हूँ. I have converted into single star now. I'll say save settings. I have changed it, and now suppose I'm changing the color. Okay, the color is not changed. Either it is coming yellow, it is marked as yellow, or there is no color, right? Now suppose I want to change the color. जैसे यहाँ पर आप लोगों को blue दिखाई दे रहा है, red दिखाई दे रहा है ना, मुझे colors चाहिए. क्या what I need to do? Go on setting, click on see all settings. You will get different menus there. You need to go at general tab. Okay, and there you can search the star options. Okay, let it get open, then I can show you. Oof. Yeah, so it is available general. Okay, and in general, where you need to go, you need to search stars here. See that stars are available, and instead of one star I'm using all star. I've set this. Go for save changes. Once the changes are done, see that now the color is changing. Even instead of star, some other symbols are also coming, right? This way you can change this particular thing. Now why to do this? Because we can prioritize our email, or you can give different colors to what different people. This way also can be done. So this is one of the way. Some more options. For example, suppose I'm sending email to someone. This is happening with all, right? I'm sending email. Suppose I'm sending email to my boss, principal, right? I'm writing email and I said that this is test mail. I have written, hello sir, please check the attachment containing the data you have demanded. Suppose I have given this, okay, and I forgot to attach. It is happening with many of you, right? हम लोग भूल जाते हैं attachment यहाँ पे डालना. Suppose I haven't attached it anything and I am sending send. The moment I have said send, see that यहाँ पे एक undo वाला button दिखाई दे रहा है, right? ये काफी देर तक है, देखो मेरी केस में. So I'll open it. This is telling me that the email is not yet sent. It is waiting for some second. By default, it is 5 seconds. I change it to 20 seconds because in 20 seconds of time, it is reminding me, I forgot to attach the file. And now I realize that yes, I forgot to attach the file, and then I can attach the file if needed. So this way we can attach any of the file and we can send that particular part. So how to change this setting, that I'll show you. Go on setting again, see all settings. Okay, search undo. You will get undo send here, right? And by default it is 5 seconds. You can make it 20 seconds, 10 seconds. And then you can go with what save. So what it will do, it will increase your undo time. So it will wait for 20 seconds and then it will send the email on 21st of second. So this way you can use this. So likewise, there are many options available here. Friends, simply search this option and this will be really useful to you all. Okay, so this is regarding Gmail, and every day we are using this, Okay, anybody of you is aware of confidential email? How to send confidential email? Anyone? See that many times we people are, preparing question papers and we are sending it, one faculty is sending it to another faculty, right? And the question mark of confidentiality will be always there. Okay, so anybody knows that how to send confidential email? Tell me quickly. If yes, say yes. If no, then simply say that no, so that I can.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Fine. I'll show you how to send confidential email. Click on compose. Okay. you can write an email here. Suppose I'm writing email to my own email ID. For example, suppose I'm writing email to HOD comp. Okay, I'm saying that it is confidential mail. Okay, and saying, dear sir or dear HOD, please see the attachment of question paper. Okay, and we are mentioning here, needless to say, that this is confidential email. Okay, can anyone will tell me what is the meaning of confidential? Confidential का meaning क्या होता है? Yes, anyone? Be fast so that we can cover more tools. Sorry to ask you more questions. You know, teachers are there. Yeah, anyone?
Important.
Sorry, important.
Important.
Not disclosed to anyone.
Perfect.
Yes.
It is important. We should not disclose this email to anyone, right? But the moment, suppose I'm sending this mail, okay, without using confidentiality, okay, I have attached some of the file here. Suppose I have attached this particular file and I'm sending this, okay, to my boss, to HOD. Now this email is coming, okay, this email is coming and I can open this mail. Let me check where is the HOD mail, right? Yeah, see that it is coming. Oh, no, it's not yet here. I'm checking that whether it is available or not. It's not yet available. See that this mail is here, okay? And the name itself is what? Confidential mail. I'm opening that mail. Okay, that mail is open to me. The meaning of confidential means what? This particular mail one should not able to forward. One should not able to take print. See that I'm going for print, and it is showing me that the printer is attached and I can take the print. Okay, confidential mail है तो उसका print नहीं लेना चाहिए. Agree? This is point number 1. Second, one should not forward this mail. Here see that it is facilities available. I can forward this email to anyone. I can simply write the mail. I can simply write the name and I can send that to anyone, right? So forwarding option is open. This is point number 1. Point number 2. है ना, पहला point क्या था? Printing is possible. Then forwarding is possible. Okay. Then another options that you can see that I can able to download this message. You can able to download this message. Even you can able to download this attachment. See that downloading is possible. I have downloaded this attachment. Okay. If this is happening, then confidentiality cannot be confidentiality. हमारे तो इंडिया में ऐसा है कि if we say this is confidential, it won't need any publicity, right? Confidential बोला तो हम लोग सबको बताने की कोशिश करते हैं. But this is confidential between you and me. ऐसा between you and me करते करते नरेंद्र मोदी तक बात चली जाती है हमारे यहाँ पर. This is happening, right? And if you have to change this, if you have to have a control on this particular part, what you can do, you know, ये ईमेल, हाँ, और एक मैंने क्या बोला हुआ है इस ईमेल में, मैंने इसको बोला है कि ये ईमेल आपने पढ़ लिया ना, उसके बाद डिलीट भी कर देना. ओके, किसी को मत दिखाना, आप डिलीट कर देना. तो सामने वाला बंदा उसको डिलीट करेगा नहीं करेगा ये भी हमें पता नहीं है. सो हाउ इट कैन बी डन? आई एम अगेन सेंडिंग दैट द सेम मेल. आई एम कॉपिंग इट. ओके, go to compose. I'm copying the entire mail, saying here that it is confidential email. Okay, मैं यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में दे देता हूँ updated. Okay, and now where you need to click, you know, you will get one of the option available here. See that confidential mode, you can turn it on. ये कहाँ पर available होता है? At bottom, wherever you are getting the button send. Okay, in that line you will get one watch and lock. Okay, that is actually confidential mode. If you click on that confidential mode, it is asking me, the moment you are clicking on it, it is showing you one dialog box. It is asking you when this mail will get expire. Now I am saying that one day, बराबर एक दिन के बाद ये वाला मेल उस जिसको मैं भेज रहा हूं उसके इनबॉक्स में से डिलीट हो जाएगा. वंडरफुल, राइट? आपको मैं मेल कर रहा हूं और 1 आवर के बाद ये वाला ईमेल जो है ये क्या हो जाएगा? one day के बाद ये email automatically it will get deleted from your inbox. See that I'm controlling your inbox for my email. Possible, okay, by using confidential mode. So this is one part. Another part, would you like to use SMS passcode? यानी क्या, whenever I'm sending this mail to you, it will ask you what the passcode, okay, and based on that only you can able to send the mail, right? Means ये जब आप इसको तभी ओपन कर पाएंगे जब आपके पास पासकोड होगा. So I'll say save. See that here you are getting one of the information. मैं इसको कॉपी करके नोटपैड में डालता हूं so that it will be visible to you all, right? ये exactly क्या है. See that the content will expire on 10th of December. Today is 9th December. So this contents will be expired at what? 10th December. ये information उस पे attach हो जाएगा. Recipient won't have option to forward. See that the recipient can't forward it, can't copy it, can't print it, can't even download this particular email. Okay. So this particular information is actually known as what? Confidential. Okay. If you want to try this, please just tell me the email ID of anyone. Okay. I'll send you this mail immediately. मैं पासकोड सिर्फ निकाल देता हूं यहां से, या फिर आप बोलोगे तो पासकोड भी डाल देता हूं. Yes, anyone? Give me your email ID on chat window. Anyone? और जो ईमेल आईडी देगा उसका नंबर भी, मोबाइल नंबर भी दीजिए. मैं जिसका फर्स्ट आएगा उन्हीं का ले रहा हूं. हाँ जी. तो यहाँ पे जोरे प्रथमेश करके है, उनका मेल आईडी में ले रहा हूं. केबीपी पॉलिटेक्निक, राइट? तो आपका ईमेल आईडी में ले रहा हूं. आपका प्रथमेश जी, आपका मुझे ये भी दीजिए, मोबाइल नंबर भी दीजिए प्लीज. ओके, आई एम यूजिंग दैट. सेंडिंग ईमेल टू हिम. ओके, गिव मी योर मोबाइल नंबर एज वेल प्लीज. Thank you, sir. I'm using your mobile number as well. Now I'm saying send. What I have done, I have used that confidential option and now I'll say send. Okay. It is asking me, you seems to be forgot attachment. Attachment डालना भूल गया. मैं attachment भी लगा देता हूँ इसको. Sir, वो attachment जो भी उसको भूल जाना बाद में. Okay. Yeah. Now I'll say send. It is asking me the mobile number of what? Prathamesh sir. So I'm mentioning that. And say send. Okay. After 20 seconds, the mail will be sent to you. Okay. And this will be known as what? Confidential email. Okay. Prathamesh sir, try to open this mail once you got. And tell me, can you able to forward this email to anyone? Can you able to take the print? Can you able to download the attachment? Do that and tell me. Okay. So friends, I'll show you the same thing. Okay. Meanwhile, he is checking. I'm using my own email ID here. Okay. And I'll simply use what? Test mail. Here also I'm using the word test mail. I'm attaching the file. And go on confidential email. I'll say that it will expire in 1 day. Okay. I'm not setting the SMS passcode right now. Say send and say send. Email is sent. Okay. Now that email went to HOD. Let it open. प्रथमेश जी, आया क्या आपको मेल? सर, आया क्या आपको? प्रथमेश सर.
Yes, received mail, but there is no option of forward or print.
Perfect.
Actually, option of print is, but it is only printing the window of that particular Gmail.
Correct. So
it is asking for some passcode to open.
Right. So click on that passcode. You will get it on your mobile, and enter that passcode. Then only you can able to open that email.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So friends, I have opened it. Okay, and see that you will get that this particular email will expire. This information will be with me. Okay, I can't forward it. I can print it. I can't copy it. See that forward button ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. That option is not available here. I can't forward it. If I want to print it, see that what will happen. It is not what it is showing. It is not showing me that email. It is showing me that this email is confidential. You cannot print. So it will not allow me to print. Right? Another part, I have said send some down, see the attachment. I can open that. Okay, the preview will be available, but see, the preview is available, but I cannot have option of downloading it. You can't download it. You can simply see it online, but you can't download. This is the beauty of confidential email. Okay, so friends, there are much more options in this particular Gmail. Simply hunt, you will understand so many options. Okay, I hope Pratmesh ji, you can't able to, have you opened it now?
Hi, I open it, but there is no option of printing.
Right. So you will not get the option of printing. You will not get the option of
Yeah.
copy, forward, nothing you will get.
Yeah,
You,
nothing.
yeah, even you cannot
Yeah.
download the attachment. You can simply open it. You can see that, but you can't download it. Right. So that's the beauty of this confidential email. So friends, let's move on the next point. I hope you must have enjoyed this particular points, like how we can able to, these are the features available with Google as well as what Gmail. Okay, now move on the next point, that is Google Sheets. Okay, many of you are collecting information from what Google Sheet. So let's move on this particular part. Okay, suppose this is the option available with me, right? This is what the Google spreadsheet which is open. What is the beauty of Google spreadsheet? I can share this spreadsheet and many people can work simultaneously. Okay, I hope Google spreadsheet is known to everyone. Anyone who don't know about Google spreadsheet? So that I can show you new functionality in that. Yes or no? Sorry to trouble you, right? I'm asking you much questions, unless I understand. Google spreadsheet, it's like Excel. Yes, we know. Thank you, Nilesh sir, for answering. See that, suppose I want analysis of this particular table. Okay, this table is available here. What information is available with this table? Employee ID is available. So total 14 employees are there. Then name is available, location is available, and designation is available. Right? What I want is, I want some insights from this. I want some analysis from this. मुझे नासिक के कितने लोग हैं ये देखना है. How many members are from Nasik? What I need to do? Filter करना पड़ेगा. Right? Clear, then Nasik, and say okay, and you will get what information of Nasik only. Suppose I want information of team leader. How many team leaders are there here? Again, I need to click here. I need to do that, but I may not get analysis. Who is actually people are, which kind of people which are there. And suppose I have to write down here some analysis or some dashboard. I have to create some dashboard out of it. Okay. So how will I create that? Simply select it. Go on data. There are various menus available. Go on data. Click on pivot table. Okay. It is asking me, would you like to create new sheet? I said yes. Or you can say existing sheet. Okay. And take, let's say, this particular part here I want it. I said yes. Create. Okay. I'm simply deleting it right now so that you will understand. See that I have created that. Okay. Now what I want. Okay. What I want to show something here at row and something here at column. See what I'm doing. I'm adding columns here. See, you will get the options of pivot table here. Add at row. What I want is the name of employee at row. Or you can say locations. See that Malegaon, Nasik, and Satana is coming here because that many options were available. And what I want is designations at upper side. So I'm taking designations at upper side. Means at column, I'm using designations. See that all designations are available here. Okay, या उल्टा कर देते हैं, है ना? हम लोग locations जो भी है इसको हटा देते हैं. इसको फिर से मैं निकाल दे रहा हूँ. I'll add designations here so that you will understand that designations are available here. That is assistant manager, department head, section head, staff, team leader, and I want location at column. So I'll take location here. So you will get that designations are at row side and name of cities at column side. And now I want count of it. What I will do, I'll add a value and take what employee ID. and see what is happening here. Okay, it is doing summation of it. I don't want sum, I want count, and see what is happening. Assistant manager from Malegaon, total 2. Assistant manager from Nasik, no one. Assistant manager from Satana, 2. Total assistant manager, 4. Okay, total people from Malegaon, 6. Total people from Nasik, 4. Total people from Satana, 4. Okay, and you will get entire information here. So this is what the way we can, analyze the data. I hope it is simple. What we have used here, pivot table. Okay, so what is pivot table? If you don't know anything about pivot table today, so simply hunt on YouTube. Okay, I'll share the link with you all. Pivot table by Mahesh Sanghvi, and search that. You will get one of the video which I have created for the pivot table. I'll simply copy it and I'll share with you all on chat window so that you will get detailed insights of what pivot table, how pivot table can be useful for us in day-to-day life. अब आप ये बोलोगे टीचर को ये क्यों काम आता है pivot table? So I'll show you my attendance, right? Every day I'm taking session online, and then I'm conducting what attendance from this particular, this Google spreadsheet. है ना? Google form share करते हैं. Entire data is coming at what? Google spreadsheet, and you can see that much of information, huge records are available. Okay, so till date I have conducted 50 lectures and almost data of what? 10,000 record. Okay, and I'm interested in what summary. So you can see that on 12th October, 110 students were present, right? 13th of October, 108 students were present. 14th of October, 115 students were present. How this is created? This is created by using pivot table. So friends, pivot table will definitely help you to, analyze your own data. So though I was having what data of what means entire 50 lectures data was available at only one Google spreadsheet, I have separated it within a fraction of second, within a fraction of minute. उससे ज़्यादा time नहीं लगता है. Okay, so that is the beauty of that is the beauty of pivot table that I have told you today. Okay, so this can be done with what? This can be done with, with your spreadsheet. Okay, so now I'm moving from what Google spreadsheet to next point is Google document. आप में से सभी को Google document use करते आता है? Everyone is using Google document? Yes or no? Why I'm asking you this again and again, please understand, because
Yes,
so you are using it, right? You all people are using it. So what news I would like to give you is, have you anytime analyzed, for example, this is what the minutes of the meeting that I'm sharing with you, right? Oh, my screen is not visible, I guess. Okay, let me do it again. I'm sharing the screen. Yeah, I hope this particular minutes of the meeting will be visible to you all, right? It's in Word file. See that this meeting were conducted on 5th May 2021. These many people were present. Okay, and this is when it is created. So I can show you that it was created on 5th May itself, right? Who is creator? The name itself is available. Okay, and how many of them have updated it? So this particular color is available. We can analyze this green color is for this particular person, Parag Achlia. Okay, now you can see that this particular color is Mahesh Sanghvi. Okay, means I have added this part. This is my contribution. And what addition is done by Monica Surse. So orange color, you will get that company is this particular word is added by her. So I can see that whose contribution is how much into this particular document. Being head, I have corrected this information. Okay, Monica Surse also added her information here, and Parag Achlia sir has created this particular entire, meeting. And I can see that on which date, on which time this has happened. Okay, this is one way of information. Another way, I can see this particular document sharing activity. To whom I have shared this document and when it is shared. So you can see that this particular document is shared with me, okay, then with Achlia, then with Domse, then with, so all the names are coming, right? और इनमें से कितने लोगों ने इसको ओपन करके देखा है? तो यहां पर आएगा, देखो 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. These many people have. Hello, am I audible? Yeah, sorry, again some issue was there of connectivity. Fine. Okay, so suppose I'm available here and I want to write down something. Okay, I want to write down something. So whatever I will speak should come here. Okay, so whatever I'm speaking with you, it should come here, that the things will be okay. Okay, तो जितना भी मैं अभी बोल रहा हूँ ना, वो सब यहाँ आ जाएगा फ्रेंड्स. So what kind of option I'm using for this? Okay, ये कौन सा ऑप्शन है? Okay, so this option is available at tools. Okay, this option is available at tools. You need to go at tools. Okay, in that you will get the option known as voice typing. Use that, set the language. For example, I have set the language in English. Okay, so whatever I'm speaking in English is coming here. Okay, see the beauty. So those who are actually typing much, this is the best way that you can do. Same thing is available on WhatsApp as well. Okay, so this is one benefit. Now next, suppose I have to write later in Marathi, and Marathi typing is the challenge, and we need to search some other people. Okay, so instead of that, you can even choose the language from this. Suppose Marathi I have chosen, आणि जे काही आता मी बोलणार आहे मराठीत ते सर्व इथे ऑटोमॅटिकली टाईप होऊन येईल. तर मित्रांनो, यू कॅन यूज दिस पर्टिक्युलर टूल, आणि असे टूल्स जर तुम्ही वापराल तर खरंच तुम्ही इफेक्टिव्ह टीचिंग लर्निंग इथे करू शकाल, बिकॉज इट विल डेफिनेटली सेव्ह युअर टाइम, आणि हा तुमचा टाइम जर सेव्ह करेल तर भरपूर गोष्टी तुम्ही इथून करू शकाल. दॅट्स इट.
Sir, will you repeat the same, sir?
Yeah. So what I have told you that, suppose I have to type, I have to use voice typing. I don't want to touch to keyboard. Whatever I will speak should come here. Okay, so this option is available at menu bar tools. Okay, tools, then go to voice typing. The moment you click on voice typing, you will get this dialog box available here. Okay, choose the language. Okay, anybody is Gujarati here? गुजराती आहे का कोणी? बरं नाही आहे. ओके, तेलुगू, बरं हिंदी. I'll take हिंदी नाउ. ओके, मुझे कोई भी लैंग्वेज ठीक से नहीं आती है, मैं कोशिश करते रहता हूँ हमेशा नए लैंग्वेज में बात करने के लिए, राइट? तो इससे क्या बेनिफिट आपको मिलेगा? आप हिंदी में भी टाइपिंग कर सकते हैं, आप मराठी में भी टाइपिंग कर सकते हैं. दुनिया की 300 लैंग्वेजेस यहाँ पर अवेलेबल है. वो 300 लैंग्वेज में आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, ये सारी चीजें जो भी है इजीली टाइप करके रख सकते हैं. दिस इज कमिंग ऑटोमेटिकली. समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को? इसका स्पीड काफी अच्छा है. कुछ चीजें यहाँ पर प्रॉपरली नहीं आएगी, वो आप लोगों को क्या कर लेना पड़ेगा, उतना चेंज आप लोगों को कर लेना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो आई हैव शोन यू इंग्लिश, आई हैव शोन यू मराठी, आई हैव शोन यू हिंदी. ओके, और कोई लैंग्वेज यदि मुझे आती तो फिर मैं बोल सकता था, लेकिन नहीं आती मुझे. मैं कोशिश करूंगा गुजराती लैंग्वेज के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत. मारे गुजराती नती आवड़ती. इसका ये मीनिंग है कि मुझे गुजराती नहीं आती, शायद ये होगा. Okay, so this way you are getting that the text of Gujarati is also coming here. Okay, so you can type, okay, you can type in any language. That's the beauty of this particular, Google, one of the Google document, and the tool is available at tools and voice scripting. I hope it is clear. Okay, और बहुत कुछ है गूगल डॉक्यूमेंट में करने जैसा. मैं कुछ हिंट्स आप लोगों को देने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं, सो दैट आप सभी लोग इसको बाद में क्या कर सकते हैं, आपके डेली रूटीन में, आपके डेली इसमें इसका यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके फाइन, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट गूगल डॉक्यूमेंट. सॉरी, द नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इज गूगल स्लाइड. Okay, many times we are preparing this particular presentation. I have prepared this presentation in Google slide. So what is possible with Google slide? So I'll show you the presentation, the way we can create. Right, see that this is the presentation. Okay, in Google slide I have created, you can see the animation here. Okay, this is the slide I'm dealing with, let's say outline, and you can see the animation. And this way, if we teach to the students, the teaching will be effective. Are you agree with me? Right? I'm using at most colors because students like colors. In professional presentation, we may not use this many colors or this many dark colors, but students like it. Okay? And nowadays, our teaching is getting bored. Online mode itself is very boring. Right? Asa vidyarthi mantat, right? So how can we make it like, this we should take it as a challenge and we should use it. See that the next slide I'm using here. Am I audible or not?
Audible.
Thank you. So you can use, you can use Google slide itself to create your own wonderful presentation, right? So Google slide is one of the wonderful option to create. Okay. Are you using Google Classroom?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Using it? Google Classroom?
Yes, sir. Yes.
शेड्यूलिंग पता है आप लोगों को? How to schedule any assignment or exam in Google Classroom? Aware? Okay. So I'll give you some new insights today. For example, my Google Classroom is attached with this Schooletics. I'm sharing with you this particular link, on chat window. Okay. I'm sharing this with you. You can open this link later on. Okay. And I can show you that my entire Google Classroom is shown here like this. Entire dashboard, it is readily created for me. See that my Google Classroom is looking like this. Suppose this is my Google Classroom. Okay, you all are aware how to work on Google Classroom. So I'm not telling you anything about Google Classroom right now. See that these many assignments I have given to the students. Okay, and students are working on this, right? So this way I'm using it. Okay, so this is my Google Classroom.
Not audible, sir.
फिर से मेरा आवाज चला गया क्या? Hello?
Now audible, sir.
Okay, so yeah, actually, very sorry for inconvenience. Okay. Yeah, so I was talking about the school analytics. Okay, that is school analytics. What you need to do, you need to sign up as a teacher. Okay, give your email ID which you have given for creating your own Google Classroom. Okay, then it will ask you which Google Classroom you want to connect. Then select that Google Classroom the way I have given here. Okay, that is DBMS. Okay, that I have taken the same that I have shown you. Okay, that Google Analytics I have taken, and now you will understand that assignment completion, 56% students have completed all assignments on time. Out of that, 26% students are there, those who are submitting the assignment in time. 82.6%
Sir, you are not audible, sir.
Oh, very sorry. Yeah. So here at left hand side, you will get what various, the options of report. This dashboard is coming ready made. I haven't done anything. Okay, it is coming ready made. What you need to do is you need to simply, yeah.
Sir, screen is not visible, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So now you can see that the name is coming. Let's say Patil Mansi is one of my student. She has completed all the assignments 100%. She has completed all the assignment in time, that is 100%. So I can say that Patil Mansi is one of my bright student and one of the sincere student. Because 100% assignment she has completed in time. Though she has got 74.35% as a marks. So I can see that she is punctual. From this, I can identify one of the hidden talent of her, that she is punctual. Okay, because she has submitted all the assignment before deadline. She's not so much good in what earnings grades. So I can focus on her, that you need to focus much on this. So I can say on that. Okay. So total assigned points will be here, and I can see that this particular graph will tell me she was very good at start and later on the graph is going down. It means that she has to work hard. Okay. And suppose I want to check specifically of her. So simply click on drill down, this particular button. The moment I'm clicking on that, you will understand her activity, entire activity. See, assignment 100% completed on time. Assignment completed, total 18 assignments that she has completed. And 74.4 is her grade, average grade. Now you can see here, when she has submitted the assignment, so you can see the date-wise data that she has done. And entire thing will be available. See that she has got 40 marks here, she has got 100 marks here, she has got 30 marks here. So entire data of 18 assignment is available here. So friends, this way we can analyze and we can effectively search which students are really sincere. See that when somebody is submitting assignment, all the assignment in time, I must say that the student is what? Sincere. Okay, completed all 18 assignments. Average grade is 74.4. It means that बहुत ज्यादा talented नहीं है, average ही है. अभी और उसको काम करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर, जब तब जाके आएगा. Sincerity यहाँ से मिल गया. So this way we can get what? The entire data of our students. Okay, you can get what? How many assignments you have given. So assignment wise data will come. See, this particular assignment only 47% students have completed. This assignment 100% students have completed. Right? So which assignment is completed and which assignment is not completed, that analysis will be in front of you. That's the beauty. Okay, so this will come. Even you can choose it by class. Class wise also, you will understand that total 148 students are there. Assignments given 22, 56% completion of the assignment, 4% is the checking. Average grade is what? 82.67. So such type of information is coming to you, and that's the beauty of this particular, Schooletics. I hope you will use it. Those who are using Google Classroom, for them, it is very, very useful. Okay. So this was one of the things that I wanted to highlight today. Okay. Then coming towards this particular tool, so you must be aware of what WordPress blog. Okay. Sir, how much time I have? Can anyone please tell me? माझ्याकडे किती वेळ आहे अजून? Can please anyone will tell me? Hello? Hello? How much time I have? Fine. Thank you, sir. Okay. Sorry, 12:45? Okay, done. Hello? Fine. So I was talking about the WordPress blog. Okay. How many of you are having your own blog in WordPress? Do you have your own blog? Yes, anyone? Okay. So see that I'll show you my blog first. I'm opening my blog. You will get this particular blog where this is my name. Okay. And you can see that I believe on this particular statement, nothing is impossible, only mindset is required. Okay. And there are various menus. For example, if you want to go on my YouTube channel, click here and simply enter into that. You will get all videos that I have created. So this is my YouTube channel. Okay. I'm sharing with you my YouTube channel. I'll be happy if you subscribe it and give the likes and suggestions as well. Okay. So this is my YouTube channel. So how I have connected everything on my blog, this is what my blog. You can see that about me, my photograph, whatever I am doing, my qualification, my designations, my email ID, all information is available here. My achievements, wherever I have got the awards, I have mentioned that information here itself. Entire thing I have mentioned. Okay. So this way you will get your own, like I can upload my own information here this way. Okay. Another part, what can be done with blog? See that you can see my responsibilities. Suppose I'm acting as vice principal or I'm acting as HOD computer. So all my faculty members will get this particular information. For example, portfolio tracker, faculty partial load details, my dashboard, process document, Moodle login, usage report, my NBA presentation, SAR report, entire information is available here. This is available with my faculty members. Okay. Next, what faculties can do? I have my entire course file available here. Okay. So you can click on DBMS and you will get what the course file, the name of this particular course, for which class I'm teaching this, entire name of this, its course code. You can join this by using this code, my Google Classroom, and the entire course file, vision, mission of institute, program, PO, PSO, PEOs. Those who are well aware of NBA, they must be aware what is PO, PSO. Then academic calendar, institute level and department level, pre-semester workload, university syllabus of both the pattern 2019-15 pattern. So entire information, you can see that all the books, teaching plan, okay, course information sheet, then university result, question papers, notes, slow fast learner students, impact observe, all question banks, entire thing is available. And same thing I have given to my students also. For example, here in DBMS, you will get student corner. So click on that student corner. When you click on the student corner, student will get this information. They can join my Google Classroom. The entire course material is available here. Okay. Course exit survey, lecture notes. Suppose they will click here. Suppose PPTs. The moment they click here, they will get all the PPTs. See that unit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the units, all their PPTs. They can simply click and download. Right? This way, students can, utilize this blog. Even all assignments I have given here itself, so that student can work out with this. So friends, you can see the statistics of my blog here. I'll show you that how the statistics will be available to you. That I'll show. See that some of the insights are available. I'm showing you statistics. See that today 33 people have visited my blog, right? All are from India, right? This is day-wise count. Okay, this is month-wise count. Okay, month-wise count, this will be available here. Okay, year-wise count. Now you will understand how many visits are there to my blog. So here in 2021, almost 10,500 visits. In 2020, 37,000 visits. 37,900 means almost 38. And here also you can see that how many countries were actually visiting my blog. Okay, India, United States, Germany, Finland, Canada, many countries are visiting the blog. You will get analysis like how many views are there and how many visitors were there. 13,000 visitors were there, right? You will get that which link visited, how much time, about me, 4,918, expert talk, 3,408. Likewise, you will get. And from where the people are coming to my blog, from search engine, from snjb.org, from Anand Garu blog, from WordPress, from Transcript, different ways people are coming to my blog. So this kind of analysis you will get free of cost. And this is which can be possible in Google, in this particular WordPress session. For example, I'll show you one more part in this. Suppose you must be like, many people are asking questions कि where I'll get the notes. Okay, ये जो PPTs है ये हम लोगों को मिलेगा क्या? So I'll say yes. Where it will be available, so I'll show you that. I'll share that link with you all on chat window. I have shared this link where you will get this entire details of this particular session. Okay, I'm talking about this expert talk in 2020-21. See that I have not created it yet. Okay, यहाँ पर आपको आज का जो सेशन है उसके कुछ भी डिटेल्स नहीं दिखाई दे रहे. Till date I have taken 113 sessions in last 5 years, right? अभी ये वाला सेशन का एंट्री नहीं है जो मैं ले रहा हूं, वो मैं करूंगा आपके सामने लाइव सेशन. Okay, how will I do that? I'll go here. See that it is not available. First, just check it out. It's not available here, right? I want to add it here. What I will do, I will open it. I will open that page and you will see that it is so simple, like, like your Word, MS Word, the way you are doing, right? See that it is getting open. It's open now. I'll say enter. I'll copy this entirely, right? I'll search for this, Control F, then okay, suppose I'm copying this session and say paste. right? I have pasted it and now I'm modifying it. Okay, session on effective tools for teachers. Okay, for the students, no, it's for the faculties only. For the faculties of, okay, I can give the name of here, name of what? College. Suppose Badnera College of Polytechnic, let's say. Okay, pardon me for the name today. Then Department of Computer Technology, I have arranged it. So I can write down that. Okay, it's on which date? On today's date. So I'll say 9th December here. Okay, at 11 a.m. Special thanks to our principal. Then thanks to, here I'm taking the name. Thanks to Rathod sir, coordinator of the event, and for the opportunity. Okay, this session is online via Google Meet. Thanks to all the participants. आप लोगों को भी thank बोल दिया. Now you want what you are interested in. You are not interested in this. You are interested in, let's say, notes. Okay, तो मैं यहाँ पे क्या दे देता हूँ आपको, PPTs जो भी है, that you can access. Okay, I'll say download, and in download I'll share this particular PPTs with you. For example, okay, I'm sharing this with you. Control V, and now you all can download it. I'm updating it. I have updated this. Go here, say refresh. See that effective teaching tools. This is available. Badnera College of Engineering, College of Polytechnic, I have written. Name of Rathod sir is here. So this way you will get this, and you can download this. Simply click on this, and this particular, the PPT will be open for you. Fine. This way you can use what? Blog. Many things can be kept on blog. I have shown you that course file and all. Okay. And if you want that, the session on blog, so you can see here, blog by Mahesh Sanghvi. You will get that. And even I have my own certified course for this. Okay. I'll simply copy this. Okay. See that this is what the entire course of what? The blog. I'm sharing this with you on the chat window. So from this, you can very well create the blog. Even I have my, Udemy course for this. You can go with certified course. Okay. And in today's session, I'll give you free of cost. Don't worry. You need not to pay for this course, which is available on Udemy. Okay. So I'll log in that. Oof. I think I forgot the password. Anyways, what I will do, I will share the link of this particular course. Okay. And I'll make this particular course free of cost open for you today, where you can simply enroll. Okay. This entire course will give you information how you will get how you can create your blog. Okay. And after completion of this particular course, you will even get the certification from Udemy. So this course I have already created, and I have made it open. Okay. It is actually costing 3,600 Indian rupees, but I'll make sure that it will be free for you today. Okay. So this is about the blog. So this way you can create your blog, and there are many things that can be placed on blog. Okay. So next point. Now the tools for teacher, I will not speak much on this because you all are already aware that meeting tools are there. Okay. Classroom engagement tools are there. Then assessment tools are there. Okay. Tools for exam and test is also there. So we'll see one by one which tools are really useful for meeting tool. So you all are master in Zoom or Google Meet. Currently we are conducting our session via Google Meet, WebEx, and there are so many other tools. You all are master. I will not focus much on that. Classroom engagement tools. Whiteboard, right? We'll have session on this today, like whiteboard chat, then Nearpod, then Whiteboard 5, then Jamboard available by Google. EduPuzzle will also have session on this today, and then Padlet. So friends, we can use this any of like many tools are available. So whiteboard is normally used to, whenever we are teaching, okay, we'll get whiteboard and we can, we can write down anything on that, the way we are doing with Paint. Nearpod is the tool where we can create active, quizzes, and that we can share with the students. The way you are doing with what? The way you are doing with Kahoot, okay? But Kahoot is the separate entity. Nearpod, if you use, you can add the quiz in your PPT itself, and people can answer, and you will get what the results there itself. That's the beauty of Nearpod. Then Whiteboard, okay, 5. There is no major difference between these two, but I suggest you to go with what? Whiteboard chats. Jamboard is again same like your whiteboard. It is the product of Google. Then Padlet and EduPuzzle. EduPuzzle is again very wonderful tool. Let's talk on what? Whiteboard chat today. Suppose this is what the whiteboard that I'm opening. Okay. It is asking me, okay, I'm here on this particular, I'm again sharing this with you. Those who would like to work can work on this. Okay, whiteboard chat. ये यहाँ पे आपको open हो जाएगा. Go on, start drawing. Say that, start teaching. Then this board will be in front of you. It is asking me that, would you like to buy this plan? I said no, because we want to use it freely. And you can use it, any kind of tool here. The way I am writing here, my own surname. Okay, and my name. Okay, even you can draw so many things. You can write a text here. Okay, simply write down. Hello, teacher friends. I can share this with you all. Okay, I can invite you all. I just need this. I'll simply say copy. You can even share this on Google Classroom, and I can share this with you all. You all can, log in. I'm sharing this with you. Simply click on that. You will be available here. You all can come here, and this will be available with you. You can save, download all the contents that I'm writing here. Okay. If you want to change the color can be changed. That's not a big deal. You can always use different colors. See that here. I'm using different color, right? The color is changed. Okay. Even suppose you are not focusing here, I'll click here and see that what is happening on the screen. Something is happening, so that you all will focus. So sometimes it is happening that students are not focusing in the class. You can use this particular feature, wonderful feature which is available. You can even ask quizzes here. Okay. That can also be possible. You can change your background if whatever you want. See that the background is changing. It is now blue color, right? You can erase the things that you don't want. Simply erase. Okay. You can animate it. Right? So this way, many things are possible, and this is known as what? Whiteboard chat board. Okay. I have shared the link with you. I think somebody is there. Okay. Mrunalini madam. Okay, you are there, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. And you can save this entire, entire information. You can save this, and this can be downloaded in PDF as well, right? And we can share this with the students also. Even student can download. See, Mrunalini madam, you can even download this if you want. This is possible. Okay, chatting is possible. Suppose I want to create a chat and I want to have a group discussion. We can have that also. Okay. Again, suppose I want to upload some files here. Okay. I'm checking with the pictures if anything is available. Oof. Yeah, this is the picture available. Let's say I'm opening this. See that my picture, one of the picture is available here. What I can do, I can write down on this particular picture directly. See that. This is the SQL part 1, then MySQL. This is my photograph. This is what the logo of the subject that I'm teaching. This is my name. This way we can, we can teach to the students. So you can upload the files here. Okay, best part. Another part, suppose I'm uploading PDF file. Suppose I have PDF file, let's say this ER diagram. I'm opening that and it is getting opened. See that the file is open here, right? It's available here, and I can even write on this file also, right? I can write on this also. See, it is possible. No, no board, whiteboard is giving you this kind of features. You can open your images, you can open PDF, and you can directly write down on that particular PDF, and this particular information will get saved. That's the beauty. Clear? So this is regarding uploading. Okay, you can even download it. If you want to download, you can download it. You can even set the time. Timer can also be set here. Okay, suppose you want to take give 2 minutes. Okay, the timer is set. आपको set timer भी पता होगा ना? You must be aware of set timer. Let's say I want to give the break of 2 minutes, let's say, or 1 minute. Okay, I can set the timer. You will get this particular timer, and I can take a break. Right? This way also can be done. So friends, there are many tools. Again, I'm sharing the link of this with you. Okay, just wait. Okay, set timer link I'm sharing with you. Copied, and I'm pasting it on what? The chat window. So you can use that set timer, available, readily available. Okay, no need to do much on that. Okay, simply open that and it will work out. Even after completion of this many seconds, it will even alarm. है ना? तो कई बार आप ये ब्रेक देके और यदि साइड में चले जाते हैं, ये जैसे ही कंप्लीट होगा, ये आवाज करेगा और आपको बोलेगा कि यस, कम हियर अगेन, द ब्रेक इज ओवर. 3, 2, 1. See that the voice is coming. Okay, this way we can use it. Okay, so this is about blog as well as the tools that I'm talking about, that is whiteboard chat. Okay, I have 6 more minutes, so I can talk on this whiteboard again. I hope it is clear. Anybody has any doubt in whiteboard chat? Yes, any doubt? No doubt. No doubt means you are either getting bored. Is it so? Yes, getting bored. कोई तो कुछ तो बोलो, समझेगा मुझे. Yes, getting bored? No. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. So friends, I hope whiteboard chat is wonderful option. You can even rename the board. For example, I'm giving the name Mahesh Sanghvi. Okay, you can download it. PDF. See that? My board or this page. It is downloaded in PDF. See that entire information is available in PDF. You can share this PDF with your students. Okay, this is the PDF which is available. Okay, you can download it. So whatever you are doing with this particular board, you can able to work out. Right? That's the beauty. Okay, and even you can create a poll here. Poll can be done. So I can give that poll. I can assign it to people, and people can able to answer that. You can send the poll, or you can send the link. Okay, so this is also possible. So many options are available, and trust me, it is also free of cost. You need not to pay anything for that. Okay. You can even set the black back color. If you want it green, people nowadays using green board, no? See that the green board is available here, right? I can take a new board if needed. Okay. So that is possible. See that I have created one more board. This is right. So you can get this information. This is my board and this is the board of what? Mrunalini madam, right? If she write down anything on this particular board, that will also be visible to teacher, so that Mrunalini madam can write her own notes here and it will be her own property, but it will be visible to others because it is one of the transparent environment. Is it clear? Mrunalini madam, see that you have written something here. Yes, say yes. Yeah, thank you. Okay, see that she has written here. Okay, and it is only with her board, it's not with my board. So this way we can differentiate boards also. Wonderful tool. Are you agree? Yeah. So we have 3 minutes now and then we will be having break. If you have any questions till date, you can please ask. After this break, I'll show you some more useful tools. Okay. So I have thousands of tools with me. Okay. Whatever which is possible to share with you all, I will definitely share. If you have doubt, you can please ask. Till date, if you have any doubt, please ask. If you remember what I have taken till date, how much we have covered. Googling Google is over, Google Sheets is over, document is over, slides are over, WordPress blog is over, Canva is pending. I'll take Canva after break. And the tools for teacher, in that we have seen one of the tool, that is whiteboard, right? Whiteboard chart. Rest of the 2-3 more tools I will cover after the break. Any doubt, you can please ask. Okay, people are saying that there is no doubt. Okay, no issues. Okay, we'll stop here and we'll again join. Better let me hand over it to coordinator so that they will give the next instruction. Yes, madam. From my end, part 1 is over. Yes, sir. Please give them in.